The third stage of Tuckman's curve is the norming stage, a time of harmony and cooperation. This is when the magic really starts to happen. Team members begin to iron out their differences, finding ways to collaborate and operate effectively as a unit. It's like a well-oiled machine finally starting to purr. The norming stage is characterized by a sense of unity and mutual respect. The team members have now accepted their roles and responsibilities, and they start to appreciate each other's strengths and weaknesses. The focus shifts from personal conflicts to shared goals and objectives. This stage solidifies the team's identity, fosters cohesion, and facilitates collaboration. But why is the norming stage crucial, you may ask? Well, it paves the way for a positive team culture. It helps create a conducive environment where everyone feels valued and heard. This, in turn, enhances productivity. It's like setting the stage for the grand performance that's yet to come. Recognizing the norming stage can help you cultivate a positive team culture and